everyone, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with Priya. Today we are going to solve a pair of linear equations by substitution method. I have taken four problems and all the four are different from each other. For example, let's take the first sum where the coefficient of x and y are integers. And in second problem, the coefficient of x and y are in decimals. In third problem, the coefficient of x and y are in square roots. And in the fourth problem, the coefficient of x and y are in rational numbers. So, how can we solve these different linear equations by substitution method? Let us start with the first problem. 2x minus y is equal to 11, 5x plus 4y is equal to 1. First, always mark the equation as 1 and 2. If you have not watched my previous video, please click the link on the description box or else use the link here. The first step in solving linear equation is to express one variable in terms of other variable. So I'm going to use the equation 1, which is 2x minus y is equal to 11. I'm going to express the variable x in terms of y. So keep x to one side and transpose y to the other side. So it becomes 11 plus y. X is equal to 11 plus y by 2. I'm transposing 2 to the other side. So now you have to substitute x in equation 2. 5x plus 4y is equal to 1. If you substitute for x, you will get 11 plus y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 1. I'm going to evaluate the brackets. So 11 times 5 is 55 plus 5 times of y by 2 plus 4y is equal to 1. Now we have to take the LCM as the denominators are not same. If we take the LCM is 2, so you will get 55 plus 5y plus 1 times of 2 is 2 and 4y into 2 is 8y by 2 is equal to 1. So now take this 2 to the other side. You will get 55 plus 13y is equal to 2. 13y is equal to 2 minus 55. Y is equal to minus 53 by 13. After you find y, you need to substitute y in any of the two equations to get the value for x. So I'm choosing the first equation. 2x minus y is equal to 11 and I'm going to plug in or substitute the values for y. So, which is y is minus 53 by 13. Make sure to write the values inside the bracket as 53 by 13 is negative. I'm substituting only for y, so don't confuse this with the subtraction symbol. 2x minus of minus will become plus 53 by 13 is equal to 11. Now take 53 by 13 to the other side, so it becomes 11 minus 53 by 13. Take LCM. 13 into 11 is 143 minus 53 by 13. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the LCM. That is equal to 90 by 13. I need only x, so transpose 2 to the other side. So that means the 2 will come to the denominator. So 2 times 45 is 90. So x is equal to 45 by 13. So these are the values. So the answer is x is equal to 45 by 13 and y is equal to minus 53 by 13. Now we are going to solve the second problem where the coefficients are in decimals. So I'm going to teach you two different methods. The first method is very simple. As all the coefficient has only one decimal digits, you can multiply the equation 1 and 2 throughout by 10. So which gives you 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. So after removing the decimals, this is actually with regard to the problem 1. So you can use the same method and you can solve it. If there are different decimal digits, if you are not multiplying by 10, with the decimals, how to solve the linear equations. So as usual, express one variable in terms of others. So I'm taking equation 1, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. So I'm keeping x on one side. I'm taking y, transposing y to the other side. So it becomes 1.3 minus zero point 0.3 y. X is equal to 1.3 minus zero point 0.3 y divided by zero point 0.2. So after getting the value for x, I'm going to plug in equation 2. So substitute x in equation 2. So write equation 2 first so that you will not be getting confused while substituting the value for x. So zero point 0.4 into 1.3 minus zero point 0.3y by zero point 0.2 plus zero point 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So this I can cancel it two times, isn't it? Zero point 0.2 into 2 is zero point 0.4. So 2 into 1.3 is 2.6 minus zero point 0.6y plus zero point 0.5y is equal to 2.3. 2.6 minus zero point 0.6 plus zero point 0.5 is going to be minus zero point 0.1y is equal to 2.3. Take 2.6 to the other side. So 2.3 minus 2.6. So minus zero point 0.1y is equal to minus zero point 0.3. Cancel minus and minus on both the side. Y is equal to zero point 0.3 divided by zero point 0.1, which means it is 3 times. So y equal to 3. After getting the value for y, I need to plug in any of the two equations to get the value for x. So I'm choosing the first equation. Zero point 0.2x plus zero point 0.3y is equal to 1.3. So 0.2x plus zero point 0.3 times y takes the value 3 now is equal to 1.3. 0.2x plus zero point 0.9 is equal to 1.3. Transpose constants to one side. 0.2x is equal to 1.3 minus zero point 0.9, which is 0.2x is equal to zero point 0.4. If you subtract 1.3 and 0.9, you will get zero point 0.4. So x is equal to zero point 0.4 divided by zero point 0.2, which implies x is equal to 2. So the value for x is 2 and the value for y is 3 for the set of linear equations.